I adore doing laundry, but I have to have the right tools. So I found this pack of 3 mesh bags for laundry. They are super sturdy. I mean, this mesh is truly durable. I've had bags before that with one wash, they rip apart. This is not that. They also have a butter soft and super smooth zipper, just like that. You just open and close and it's ready to be thrown into the wash. They all each have a little hook on the side as well if you want to hang it up through there. And you can see there's a little piece of elastic. That's where you put in the zipper so it can not rust and it can stay in place while washing. Now this is the pack of 3 medium. They have small ones, large ones, but they have a pack of 3 medium ones, which are perfect for so many different things. The medium can be used for bras, scarves, t-shirts, pants, dresses, swimsuits, shoes, and socks, and it measures 15.75 by 11.81 inches, and it's truly the perfect helper when it comes to doing laundry. So check this out on Amazon. They also have different packs with different sizes, so you can check that out as well. I definitely recommend to do your laundry with these mesh bags.